you everybody. Inshallah, we are gonna study chapter 3, the first lesson. Subtract mentally. This is Miss Doaa, your math teacher with you. Inshallah, this lesson will be so easy if you just pay attention to me, okay? This is the first strategy, break apart. Let's see what is the meaning of break apart. To subtract mentally, break up the smaller number into parts, then subtract in parts. So I will work just on the smaller number, okay? For example, this example. It was a sunny, warm, 86 degrees Fahrenheit day for outdoor games. What was the temperature when it dropped 17 degrees Fahrenheit? First, I will make subtraction. 86 minus 17. How come? When I want to use break apart this strategy, so I will break apart which number? 86 or 17? Of course, I will break apart 17. Why? Because I told you from the beginning, we will break apart the smaller number. Of course, 17 is less than 86. First, look at the ones digit in 17. The ones digit is number 7. Yes, this number, number 7. Then, see what is the ones digit in the greatest number. The ones digit here is digit 6. Okay, if you subtract mentally, of course, I want to subtract easily. So I can write 7 as 6 as this digit to be super easy for you. How come? It's very easy. Cancel 7 and write 6. Of course, I will write 1 also. So 17 became 16. This is correct? Of course, no. Because we changed the whole number. I want 17. The problem said 17. But now I wrote it as 16. But if I wrote like this, if I wrote plus 1, now I didn't change anything. The same number, 17 is equal to 16 plus 1. Just I changed 7 and wrote it as 6 for the ones digit here in the greatest number only. Okay? So someone said, why Miss Doaa, you break apart 17 as 16 plus 1? I have 15 plus 2, I have 14 plus 3. Just I choose 16 because the ones digit here 6 and the ones digit in the greatest number also 6. Okay? Now I can subtract easily. I will take the greatest number 86 minus 16 first, then the answer I will subtract it from 1. Let's see, 86 minus 16. First, 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Then 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. I will stop here? Of course no, because still I have this digit. Still I have 1. So I will subtract 70 minus 1. 70 minus 1 means go back one step. Go back one step. When I go back one step, before 70, it is what? It is 69. So my answer now is correct. Easy? Let's see this subtraction rules. It's very important. We have two rules. The first one, when I subtract number from itself equals 0. For example, 367 minus itself equals 0. The second rule, if I subtract 0 from a number, give me itself. For example, 545, if I subtract it from 0 from nothing, I didn't do any change, equals the number itself, 545. Okay, let's see this example for the subtraction rules. Find 417 minus 417. Of course, is equal to, bravo, 0, because I subtracted the number from itself. Now, this is easy. The second strategy to subtract mentally. Here, example number 3, 140. Okay, find 140 minus 129. Here, which is smaller, 140 or 129? Yes, correct. It is 129. I said before, look at the ones digit. What is the ones digit? It is 9. So, if the small number ends with 9, read this. When the small number ends with 9, especially 9, I can make it a 10 or 100. How come? You just add 1. Add 1 here. When I add 1, became 130, because 129 plus 1, it is 130. Okay? Now, what will I do? I will take the greatest number minus this 130. After I add 1, became 130. Let's subtract 140 minus 130. Like we know, it is 10. So, this is my answer? No. Here, we added 1 to the small number. I will add also 1 to the difference. What is the difference I said? It is 10. So, I will add 1 to this 10. So, remember this song. If the small number ends with 9, add 1 to the small, add 1 to the difference. The difference, it is the answer to a subtraction problem. So the difference here is 10. So I will add 1 to 10. It is, yes, 11. Excellent. Let's see another example for the same idea. 223 minus 99. Yes, I will look at the smaller number like Miss Doaa said. The smaller number here, 99. And the ones digit is 9. Yes, so she said if the ones digit, if the small number ends with 9, what we will do? Bravo, make a 10 or 100. So I will add 1. 99 plus 1 is equal to, excellent, is equal to 100. You will leave it? No. Now I can subtract the greatest number, 223, minus 100. Let's subtract here. 223 minus 100 is equal to, bravo, good job, is equal to 123. So I will take this difference, then I will add 1. So 123 plus 1. Plus 1 means which number after 123? Excellent. It is 124. Now is easy. You have two strategies. The first strategy, if the small number doesn't end with 9, look at the ones digit in the greatest number and cancel it and write it like the ones digit in the greatest number. And the second strategy, if the smaller number ends with 9, add 1 to make a 10 or 100, then add 1 to the difference. Thanks so much for your watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and press like to this video. Thanks so much. Bye bye.